Good morning, everyone. In the last lecture, we talked about the circulatory system, its introduction, and about blood. In this lecture, we will be discussing about blood grouping and blood transfusion. So, basically, blood grouping depends on antigen and antibody reactions. Now, what is antigen and antibody? Antigen. Antigen is basically any molecule or substance that is like pollution or smoke that we inhale. When we inhale smoke or pollution, it irritates. So any irritation to our body, that substance is called an antigen. Any substance which causes irritation to our body, that is called as antigen, and against this irritation our body produces protective measures. Certain protection this our body produces. These bodies against antigens are called antibodies that protect us against these antigens. So now we have discussed about antigens and antibodies. Now we will discuss about the systems of blood transfusion. So systems are two systems, ABO system and RH system. Now there are two systems, ABO system and RH system. ABO system was discovered by Karl Landsteiner. Karl Landsteiner. He is also known as the father of blood. Now ABO system is further divided into A, B, blood group AB and blood group O. 4 blood groups A, B, AB and O. So these blood groups are categorized according to the antigens and antibodies present. So antigen and antibody. So as we know, A blood group, we studied before what is antigen and antibody. Any outside matter that enters our body is called antigen, against which our body produces response is called antibody. Now A antigen, A has an antigen in its surface. In the surface of RBCs, there is an antigen which characterizes these ABO system blood groups into 4 subtypes, and this antigen is referred to as antigen of that particular blood group. For example, for A blood group, it has antigen A on its surface. For B blood group, it has antigen B on its surface. For AB, we have an antigen A and B, both antigens on its surface, while O, we can also signify it as 0, so it does not have any antigen on its surface. Now, antibodies. A blood group individuals produce antibodies against B. A blood group individuals have antigen A, which is the same, but they produce antibodies against the other, that is B. That is, they produce anti-B. B blood group individuals in the same manner produce antibodies against A, so they will produce anti-A. Now AB blood group individuals have both, so they will not produce antibody as there is no opposite, so they will not produce any antibody. But O blood group individuals, since they do not have any antigens, they will produce antibodies against both A and B blood group individuals. Now this is about the ABO system. In the next lecture, we will talk about blood transfusion and RH system. Thank you.